Down to the elite pavilion right now. We got Bridget. Bridget, what do you got? Are you down there?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Bridget here. I am down in the elite pavilion brought to you by Formula Tech Dyno Centre, and I am absolutely loving this Audi. Dude, tell me, what's going on yours?
Oh, we are just pumping the stereos here. We've got the Alpine W.A demo car down here rocking some tunes. We've got our sound off going on outside. Big retail trade stand here where we're offering today's best specials. We're having a ball.
Absolutely, it's a party atmosphere down here. If you haven't come down to the Formula Tech Dyno Centre Elite Pavilion, get your A into G and get down here now. This place is pumping.
Great work there from Bridget Bell. Down in our elite pavilion as the camera goes wandering. Hello everyone at Motorvation 29. We're going camera in the back of a car. There we go. Getting cruise around. This is a great view of what is happening down on decks in what we call the staging lanes. But today it opens itself up to a completely different caliber. It becomes a show car festival. Shooting back to Bridget, down in the pavilion. What do you got for us, beautiful lady?
Oh, stop it. I'm down here with Norm. This guy knows everything about desert coolers. Mate, you've got an awesome stand here.
We've been coming to Sundays for something like 10 or 12 years now, and
the first summer nights I ever went to, I met Norm, talking to him about putting a radiator in the front. HX Premier. Second set of chrome, set of one. Be a 56 Chev. And if not, he's got me forward a 57 pickup. Chevrolet pickup. Go cruising up your VPW profile lane at the moment, looking outrageously good. Shooting back down to the Elite Pavilion, check on your Southside Engine Service Extreme. Bridget, what have you got for us? Hello.